Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video,
it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East Laurent. Used to drive the Nissan, and she in a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner. And I heard that Beamer was the loner. Her old man the owner.
Halle J in the motherfucking high rise, okay?
On champagne forever, on dirty Sprite forever.
It's moving day.
Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Is this freaking happening? It's freaking moving day. Mind my appearance right now. Well, this is the last day of me waking up to the view of downtown. Last day. Let me get ready. Welcome to the moving vlog. We are dressed, so we just have to do some cute face stuff really quick. I am a receptacle of love. Listening to affirmations by Louise Hay. Love her. You should definitely check them out. My quick 10-minute base because so let's get into this skin, baby. I already put on my oil. Cocoa Select, guys, you know. I get fine bumps right here, and I really feel as though it's helping me. So, a little moisture. We're going in with the Vitamin Enriched Bobbi Brown Face Base. I'm using the Morphe Brow Cream. Also be cute if if you really want to make it pop, just a tab of the concealer underneath there. Fire. But we ain't doing that today. This is the Gimme Brow by Benefit in 3.5. I love this laminated brow. She here to stay, okay? I'm gonna do some eyeliner. This is just my little ink blot. I'm running out of this. That. Okay, Crow, we hear you. We hear you, baby. Cause he out there speaking. This is my man eater mascara. Likes hearts. Let's save some storage. I will see y'all later. Oh, they're moving pretty fast. Literally, this is what the living room and stuff is looking like. They took the couch just now, so now it's literally just my bedroom. They gotta get this stuff. They gotta take my frame down, get the mirror, and get this box and that box and that. About to be out of here. My assistant has flat tire. Uh-oh. Hello.
Oh, snap, that's my phone. Holla.
Oh, my bad. Lindsay on her way? Because they're almost done. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, so we're about to be out of here. I caught them on accident. So here at the leasing office, just sent over my electricity and my renter's insurance. They just reserved the service elevator for me, and yeah, she said the internet's not working down here, so they won't be able to make me a key or a parking pass right now, but that's fine. I just need y'all to open my door so I can put my stuff in there, all right? But the movie should be on the way. Lindsay said they got everything out of the apartment. I still have to go back, return the keys, do a walkthrough with them, and then I'll be done completely. But I'm in no rush right now because, yeah, I'm not with AT&T anymore. I'm not with Metro anymore. I am with AT&T. Bathroom right when you walk in. I'm gonna decorate the fuck out of that entryway, but this is her toilet sink, you know, just a cute half bath. We also have a coat closet with my gas to put the things here, the door, entryway, you know, walk through. We have my bar, my kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have my fridge. I need to be Maria to come here and clean, okay? Electric stove top, stove, a lot of cabinet space. Lots and lots of cabinet space. We love that. My little pantry will be over here. I feel like, and they're gonna come and set my bed up, but here is my room. Not much in. See, the thing about these windows, baby, it's gonna be hot in here. Do you hear me? So air gonna be blasted. Anyways, I have shower and tub, walk-in closet. Period. Get into it. And then commode, of course, double vanity because she needs it. And washer and dryer is located in here. I think this is what worked for me because, baby, having to travel from the bathroom and like wash clothes and all of that. And then this is just like my linen closet. So this is the view from the bathroom. I need to figure out where I'm gonna put my babies too so they can get settled. But this is my mother apartment. Halle J in the motherfucking high rise, okay? Moving on up to the side. We finally got a piece of the pie. Okay. It's a gift from one of my friends. I'm gonna pop it open today.
Top off. I'm tripping like hot sauce. I got drink in the clean raw. Let me give me that lean low. And that pussy like
that's
good. I can do this without
you look like a little girl when you get 43 too.
I go back to the trolley house. Spread that bitch and I bounce down. Catch it and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house. I ain't taking no handouts. When they callin', I'm in route. For them niggas, they been down. Blow it back when I'm in town. Is it gonna use the kids? I don't really got a check. I'm about to flex. It's all in my pocket. Rocket diamonds on wet. I go water around my neck. I just start to relax. When the pop bitch legs. I take my friends. Niggas sending me threats.